This is the third day of our trip. Today we are going to trek from Lama Hotel to Langtang. It was a long and difficult day yesterday. Especially there was steep uphill climb in the afternoon. Yesterday we gained the altitude of 1000 meters and today it is going to be the same. So there is another long and a difficult day. It is an overcast day. It may rain at any moment.
Good morning. Welcome to Nepal. I just arrived on the 2nd of May. First day actually I spent it with Mike and his family. We had a lovely dinner at his house. The wife made us good dinner with a local chicken. And then we went to Kathmandu for a tour and site visit of Kathmandu. We had looked at the old city also. We've looked at all the temples and all the traditional places or the heritage places in Kathmandu. We are now on the day 4, I think, after we arrived. We tracked all the way down to Hotel Lama, which was a very difficult tracking. We've actually suffered the night, and now we are way up to 3,000, almost 3,000.
At the range of 3,000 meters.
3,000 meters above sea level.
As the day passed by, more and more cloud came in. We enjoyed the walk by the river, through the trees, beautiful flowers and colorful leaves. But unfortunately, we didn't see any of the animals that is common sighting in this trek. Bad weather must be the reason of animals not being seen around. I think they know that it is going to rain anytime. The white horse is not the wild one. Someone let the horse free for some time. Yes, it rained. It was for a short period. We took shelter under the trees, adjusted the bags, and then we moved on. Weather became worse, so no opportunity for video and photograph.